Welcome to BVS Pragati channel. In this session, let's have a look at some more multiple choice questions related to communication systems. A parametric amplifier must be cooled to improve noise performance. A Ruby Maser amplifier must be cooled because it cannot operate at room temperature. A disadvantage of microstrip compared with stripline is that microstrip is more likely to radiate. The transmission system using two ground planes is stripline. Indicate the false statement. An advantage of stripline over waveguides is its higher power handling capability. Indicate the false statement. Advantage of stripline over microstrip is its easier integration with semiconductor devices. Surface acoustic waves propagate in quartz crystal. SAW devices may be used as filters. Indicate the false statement. FETs are preferred to bipolar transistors at high frequencies because they lend themselves more easily to integration. For best low-level noise performance in the X-band, an amplifier should use a step recovery diode. The biggest advantage of trapad diode over impact is its higher efficiency. Indicate which of the following diodes will produce the highest pulse power output, impact. Indicate which of the following diodes does not use negative resistance in its operation, backward. One of the following is not used as a microwave mixer or detector, pin diode. One of the following microwave diodes is suitable for low power oscillations, that is tunnel. The transferred electron bulk effect occurs in gallium arsenide. The gain bandwidth of a microwave transistor FT is the frequency at which the beta of the transistor falls to unity. For a microwave transistor to operate at higher frequencies, we should indicate the false answer. The emitter area must be large. So some more multiple choice questions in the next session. Thank you. Thanks a lot and I wish you all the best.